So we're on our way to Scaleforce waterfall?
Yeah.
Yeah, right, come on, let's go. Right, Leo, we've been walking for 45 minutes, we're nearly there. No? Look at the glorious views, but tell you what, this is harder than what I thought. There'll be Leo having a rest. But we're nearly there, young man, nearly there, keep going. I'm not sure if this is the right way, but it's like we're in the middle of the jungle. So we found this one, and then up there, you climb up that bit, there's another big one up there. Leo, are you going to climb up there? It's a bit dangerous. Look at that. I've left Leo down there, it's too dangerous for him, I'll show you where I'm up. So I've had to climb up them. Oh. Because I want to get to that bit up there.